Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Kanu Sir, and I am your teacher Pawan Kanu. I have got a question from Nirdesh Yadav from Sirha province to Nepal. So this question is from quadratic equation and it is actually from class 9. So without wasting the time, I want to solve this question, and I suggest grade 10 students also try to understand this question. It is important while solving the equation type of questions in grade 10 as well. So let's start here. Here you can see the question I have written already on the board. First, you have to analyze the question and try your best to simplify as far as it is possible for you students. So I find a minus b and b minus a are almost similar if we just exchange their position. So we will write question first: a square x minus b upon a minus b, and we'll bring all whole group to the left hand side as b square a minus x b minus a, and this will go to the right hand side x square. Or now what can we do? We can take a minus b common from both of them. Before understanding that, you can see x minus b is written in such a way, but here is a minus x just in opposite position, so you can change their position. A minus b minus x minus a, when you take minus common, and b square. Similarly, b minus a can be written as a minus b taking minus common equals to x square. But because minus can be divided among them, there will be no change in this symbol here. You can write again a square x minus b and a minus b, then minus, here you will get x minus a b square, then you will get a minus b equals to x square. After that, what can you do is there, taking a minus b as LCM and solve them, or you can take a minus b common or solve them, meaning will be same. Here you can do a minus b as LCM, then you will get here a square x minus b as the numerator must be copied, and a minus b will be divided and multiplied by 1, minus again b square x minus a will be copied as numerator, and a minus b will divide each other, and you will get just 1, that is equals to x square. Or you can see another a square x minus a square b multiplied by 1 will give no change in the values, minus b square x minus times minus will get plus a b square equals to this. A minus b will go towards right hand side with x square. You can write a minus b x square, or you can arrange the like terms. Here a square x and b square x are like terms. You can write a square x minus b square x, and remaining you can write a b square minus a square b. Why did I do so? Because I tried to write the positive sign first, then the negative one, and here you can see a minus b x square. After that, you can take x common from them. You will get a square minus b square, and ab common from both of them, and you will get b minus a equals to a minus b x square. You can find, they can go in a square minus b square formula, then you can write x a minus b a plus b, and if you take exchange their positions, then you will get minus common a minus b a minus b, a into b a minus b, and a minus b x square. Or taking a minus b common from both of them, you will get x a plus b left minus ab left here equals to a minus b x square. Because a minus b is in multiplicative form, both of them you can divide them, cancel them out, or x a plus b minus ab equals to x square will be left. Take this all term to the right hand side, or you can write 0 equals to x square minus x a plus b, because they are these numbers are these variables are in a single term, So when they go to the right hand side, then they will change into minus, and this minus AB will change to plus AB. Now you can write comparing with quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Then you will get a as 1 because there is 1 in front of x. You will get b as minus a plus b, and you will get c as ab. Now you must know the formula of quadratic equation, that is x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now I want to rob this area. I need a space to write, or placing the values of a, b, x from the given equation here. So minus b, b is minus a plus b, and there is already minus, so we will write one bracket again, minus a plus b plus minus root value of b, you will write minus a plus b whole square minus 4, and in the name of a there is 1, and in the name of c there is ab, upon we will get 2a, in the name of a there is 1, or x equals to minus times minus will be plus a plus b plus minus under root, we will get a plus b whole square, because square of minus will be plus, minus 4ab. If you remember, I have explained this formula in my previous videos also. They look alike. A plus b whole square minus 4ab has a formula, that is a minus b whole square. If you get this type of question terms, then a plus b whole square will change into a minus b whole square. So directly you can write that divided by 2, or value of x is a plus b plus minus under root a minus b whole square divided by 2, that is equals to a plus b plus minus a minus b. My process has gone longer because I have explained you every step of this process of this question. Otherwise the question can be lessened. Some of the steps you can jump and directly come to the steps here. Now taking positive, x equals to a plus b plus a minus b upon 2, that is equals to a plus b plus a minus b divided by 2, which is equals to b will be cancelled, 2a divided by 2, you will get x, value of x equals to a, and again you can do taking negative, you will find here a plus b minus a minus b, then divided by 2, you can write here a plus b minus a plus b. This way you can cancel a now, and you will be getting 2b divided by 2, which is equals to b. Finally the value of x you will find either a or b. Either you can put value of x as a on every side, on either left hand side and right hand side both, or you can put only value of b from left hand side and right hand side, and you will find the correct solution of the given question. So this was for this video, this question. If you have some other questions related mathematics, then feel free and put your questions in the message inbox or in the comment section of this video and other videos. Your questions will be solved. So till then, keep practicing, keep learning. Bye.